Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can fix your Wechat server access failure. Server access failure might not be your problem because it is a problem of the app itself for not being able to successfully access your services. To do so, if it is showing you server access problem or failure, you just have to relaunch your Wechat. And if it's still not working, you just have to clear its data and relaunch it again. To clear its data, just go into settings, and after going on to settings, scroll down until you see an option for apps. Here, after going on to apps, just search for Wechat. And now, after finding Wechat, go on to it, and if you go on to it, you can see out the storage right here. Click on storage, and from here click on clear cache and clear data. After that, again relaunch your Wechat app and you'll be able to successfully use your Wechat. And that is a way to fix your Wechat server access failure. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.